Hey everybody. So my husband just got home, so the dogs are a little wound up. So I'm doing some vacuum sealing today of my flours and stuff, bread flour, self-rising flour, pancake mix, etc., etc. And I just wanted to say stop freezing your flour. There's no need to freeze your flour, just vacuum seal it. So I've made some bags that are long enough for the flour. You just take your bag of flour, put it in the bag, and vacuum seal it. You're not going to have bugs because no oxygen, nothing can live. And I don't believe people are doing it anyways. This is why. Who has a freezer big enough to hold as much flour as they're storing? Like a 20-pound bag. Most people are buying the big bags. Or even if you bought 10 5-pound bags or 4-pound bags, whatever they're selling now. And then you have to let it dry out. Here's the problem with freezing your flour. You're adding moisture to your flour, which can lead to adding molds and fungus and all kinds of stuff into it. I just don't know how you're going to get it completely dry enough to store. So I'm not even buying that people are actually freezing all this flour. And if you are, well, it's a very long process. The freezing, the drying out, and then packaging it up. So and this stuff becomes a brick. You could take somebody out with this vacuum sealed flour. This will keep air out of it. It'll last a long time, and you don't have to go through all those processes of freezing, drying out, repackaging. So there you go. It makes its own like folded little bottom, and then I just put it in a bucket, label the bucket with what all's in there, and put it away. Easy peasy. Make one for your dogs with some wheat flour, some all-purpose flour, some powdered milk. Save your bacon grease, render chicken fat. You can make doggy treats. You put some rice in there. You can do, rice, vegetables, stock canned food. It has a longer shelf life. You can supplement that with rice, vegetables. So, easy peasy stuff. Let's see, what do we have here? Some self-rising flour. That was bread flour. Same thing. So I do all my flours, my wheat flour, all-purpose, self-rising. And I've never had bugs in my flour, ever, ever, ever. When you open it, you can just add a bay leaf. And we're done. So, I didn't have to empty my freezer. I didn't have to find some place to let it dry out. And the other problem with that is a lot of states have humidity. So actually getting it dried out, especially this time of year, is pretty much impossible. So I just wanted to share that, save you a step. Vacuum seal or Mylar bag your flowers. You don't need to freeze, dry, and then repackage everything. So I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. We're going to Mylar some oatmeal. And I have canning videos, I keep telling you. So they're coming, I promise. There's not that many people watch them anyways. So I will see you all soon.